Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm back with Rayan the Techwiz, and we've got an interesting new video for everyone. It's 5 wonderful toys from Daiso, which is a dollar store equivalent here in the Middle East. All the toys are from Japan. Rayan is going to be seeing them all for the first time. So, are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah? You ready?
Yes.
Alright, here comes the first one. So, what do you see in front of you?
What is it?
Is it? What is it? Could you show it up on the camera? It's a Pachu clapper from Daiso. So what do you think? What do you think of this great Pachu clapper that has a face and everything? Can you show it? Wow,
It's kind of funny.
So what do you think? Do you think kids would like this toy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, alright, let's move on to the next item. You can just put that down. Yep.
What is this?
It's, could you show it up to the camera? What? It's a putty head. SpiderMan putty head. I'm not so sure if it's licensed or not, but yeah, it's from Japan. I'm sure they've got their licenses or something. What is it? Is it slimy or something?
How do you even take it off? Spider-Man? What does it say Spider-Man? Maybe?
It's basically putty, I guess. You shape it into something or... So what do you think of it?
Looks funny. Kind of funny. A little bit. Squishy back in.
So it's oily and stuff? Do you like the toy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's not even a toy. You do that, boys.
Are you ready for the next toy?
Yep. What is it?
It's an Avengers finger skateboard set.
Hey.
Want some help with that? Want me to get it up for you? Come on, show it up on camera. What it looks like.
Are you right?
Well, you're supposed to use your fingers just like that.
Look.
Like extra pair of wheels or something for the skateboard. You want to demonstrate what this skateboard looks like? You think it's worth it? You think the skateboards are worth a kid's time? Ready for the next wonderful, great toy?
Yes. What's this?
I guess it's a duck toy of some sort. It is sliding game. Sliding game. Yeah. Let's see how this thing works. Or does it even work? That's exciting.
How does it move?
I have no idea. I think you have to put the duck on the stairs. Maybe. So what do you think about the toy? Is it a great toy, or
Yes.
can you show how it works? I mean, what exactly is going on with this thing? So you'd recommend kids playing with this? The great sliding game?
Yes.
Excited for your last toy?
Yes. What is this?
It's a lucky cat. Solar powered lucky cat. It swings or something. So here's what the cat looks like. Unfortunately, there's no sun in this room or any way of getting the sunlight into the room, so you'll just have to take our word for it that it swings its hands. And boy, that's an exciting toy, huh? So Rayan, out of all the toys, are there any that you actually like? The clapper. What about the duck thing? You don't like the duck thing?
I do, but like this move.
You like the finger skates? And you like the putty? So, it's just the cat thing, huh? That's a little... Oh, so you also like the cat thing. So in your knowledge, you think that kids would love all of these things?
Yes.
And you give them a thumbs up?